Dad just said he's found a big mud crab.
Hopefully it's not too windy. Yesterday we caught this mud crab. It's the next day. Some people come around and got a bit busy, so I just got it out, got it back in the freezer to cool it down and kill it. Get away from the people. So what we'll do is I'll show you where we caught that crab in a minute. We caught it out the back here. It's high tide now, but so it's all under. But we were right out there yesterday. My son Reese caught a blue swimmer on a plastic first. I'll show you that.
It might be legal. Little bluey. Letting go yet? Yeah, he's under. Little blue swimmer. Looking for a muddy yesterday, we didn't find one, but got a bluey today. Let go of it. Let go of it.
We were walking along looking for holes. So I've done it for many years. I've handled mud crabs my whole life, so I've got no issue with that. But that's my first time pulling one out of a hole. I wanted to do it, ticked it off the list now, and it was good fun. I can't wait to do it again. Come behind me.
Dad just said he's found a big mud crab.
I've got a hole here, a mud crab in it. I'll put my hand in and pull it out. We'll try and pull our fingers back out, eh? Let's have a go.
Right. Wait, he might swim off. We might need a rod to wrap him up.
It's up in there. Here we go.
Alright, Dad, don't lose a finger. You scared? Make sure to throw him all the way up there. You feel him?
Oh yeah, he's in there. He just snapped at me.
Did he?
Yeah.
Oh. As soon as you grab him, throw him. Don't throw him out there. Snap at you again.
Oh yeah. He's getting angry. Oh, he's in there. Oh, he's big.
Oh, how big? Kilo?
Right.
Right. You got him?
Oh!
Did you grab her?
He's trying to. I can feel him. I got one claw in my hand.
In your hand?
Yep.
Rip it out.
Ready?
Yep.
Oh, that one got me. He must be up against the back. Oh yeah, there he is.
Grab him. Throw him out.
He's up there.
You got him?
I'm just trying not to get bit.
You grab him and you just throw him out. You gotta be fast with him.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah. Go.
Yeah.
Yeah, big one. You got him?
Oh. Put it on me.
Yes. Look at that. Yeah, big buck.
Let's see him up here. Let's see him up. Give him a look at him.
There's a toadfish here too. Look at that.
Just got that out of the hole. Hey?
Yeah.
How's that?
First time.
He's a good buck.
Yeah. It's gonna be dinner.
So I'll show you this crab. We'll clean this crab. We'll cook it the way we've cooked it for years. We cook them and clean them green. So we'll clean it now. It's a buck. You can tell it's a buck male by that distinctive here and the big claws. A female will have little claws. This guy's got big claws. I can't even get my hand around his claw. So that's a proper crab. Nice and hard. You want to make sure they're hard before you kill them. Push here. Can't push at all. If you can push there, it's no good. There's nothing in him. But he's full. He's hard. So we'll clean him. We clean them green. So you just flip this out. I just use their leg. Flip his little flipper out. Head will pull straight off. Like so. Pull the gills away. He's nice and cold. He's been in the fridge all night, so he's asleep. The best way to do it: put him in the freezer for an hour. Put him to sleep the most humane way. You don't want to cause him any more pain than you're already going to. Put them away. Snap him in half here. And we can clean all this out. So then we'll go back. We'll make a butter and garlic mix. We'll cover it in butter and garlic. Let it soak for about half hour. And we'll cook it on the barbecue. On the Weber. Yeah, clean all the guts out. We like cleaning the guts out green and cooking them green. Then this guts doesn't boil through and get all in your meat. It changes the flavour a bit. Especially mud crabs. They're a bit, bush swimmers are a bit different. They're a bit more salty, but these are a bit more of a stronger texture. Right, that's that crab cooked, clean. I mean, all cleaned up, ready. What we'll do is we'll go back. I'll show you. We'll smash the claws with the back of a butter knife. Crack them open so the butter and garlic can get in there. We'll soak it and we'll cook it on the Weber. It'll be beautiful. You just want something hard, like a butter knife, just to crack the shells open, like so. Expose that meat and get that butter and garlic inside there. Right, I'll get the butter and garlic now. We'll melt the butter, garlic, I'll mix that up and I'll show you. We'll pour this over and we'll throw it on the Weber. Alright, I'm going to get the garlic, stuff it in while that butter's melting. So you want to crack those claws, because if you don't crack those claws, you don't get it up in there. Right, stuff the garlic up in there, butter, pour that butter all over it. Let that sit 15-20 minutes and then we'll put it on the Weber. Got the Weber nice and hot. Beautiful little spot here. That's where we caught it, just right at long way away now, but it's high tide. Probably about a K out there on the flats, hooking it in the holes. Shut him in. Give it about 20 minutes, half hour. About halfway now, we'll turn it over. Got butter and garlic. Nice golden brown. Beautiful. Alright, crab's done.
Yeah, we're gonna eat some.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Get that off the barbie.
Yeah, get it off the barbie, Dad.
We'll sit it and let it cool for about 15 minutes. It's a bit hot to eat at the moment.
Yeah, it's a bit hot.
Sit that there.
I'm gonna eat that piece.
Let him cool down and then we'll get into him, eh, Dad? Alright. Crab's cooked.
What's the gun? Ooh, Dad.
Look at that. Hang on. Mum first. Is it good?
Yeah.
That's good.
Right, yeah.
Just the way Pa makes it.
Yep.
Yep, this is Shay's dad's. I got this recipe from Shay's dad.
Don't do it so close
We
to
used to
us.
just boil them I did for years, but this way, butter and garlic, best way yet.
It's made in the legs too.
There it is. There's the trouble when everyone likes crab, there's not as much to go around when you all eat it, is there?
Yes.
Whew. Beating mud crab, bare hands, never setting traps again, so much more fun.